Hey everyone, welcome back. If your Windows 11 laptop is stuck on the restarting screen, frozen for way too long, or endlessly looping, don't panic. This is a common issue, and in this video I am going to walk you through multiple proven solutions step by step. Just follow along carefully and we will get your laptop working normally again. Wait it out for about 5 to 10 minutes. Sometimes updates or background processes take longer than expected. Windows might just be finishing up, but if you already waited that long and nothing is happening, it's time to take action. Go ahead and force shut down your laptop by holding down the power button for around 10 seconds until the screen turns off. Wait a few seconds, then power it back. Sometimes a simple force shutdown clears a temporary freeze. If it boots normally, great. If it's stuck on the restarting screen again, force shut down the laptop again by holding the power button. Do this 3 times in a row. On the third boot, Windows should enter recovery mode automatically. Once you see the blue recovery screen, choose Advanced Options. Go to Advanced Options and finally choose Startup Settings. Once your system restarts, press number 4 or F4 to boot into safe mode. You'll notice the screen looks different. That's normal. Now restart the laptop from safe mode. Often Windows can fix whatever was stuck during the normal boot process. If it restarts fine, the issue is likely caused by a third-party app or driver. While you're still in safe mode, let's disable Fast Startup. Click on the Start menu, search for Control Panel, open it, go to Power Options, then click on Choose what the power buttons do. Click Change Settings that are currently unavailable. Uncheck the box that says Turn on Fast Startup, then click Save Changes. Fast Startup is known to cause restart issues, especially after updates or driver changes. Disabling it can prevent future hangs. Now let's check for corrupted system files. Open Command Prompt or Windows Terminal as administrator. Type SFC/scannow and press Enter. This will take a few minutes and automatically fix any corrupted files. Next, run these DISM commands one by one. dism/online/cleanupimage/check-health and press Enter. Then dism/online/cleanupimage/scanhealth and press Enter. And finally, dism/online/cleanupimage/restorehealth. Wait for each command to finish before running the next. These tools can repair deeper system problems that might be causing the restart freeze. If your laptop still hangs, perform a clean boot. Type emsconfig in the Start menu and hit Enter. Go to the Services tab and hide all Microsoft services. Click Disable All. Now go to the Startup tab and open Task Manager. Disable all startup apps, close Task Manager, and click OK in System Configuration. Restart your laptop. A clean boot helps eliminate software conflicts. If the restart works fine, one of the third-party apps or services is the cause. You can re-enable services one by one to find the culprit. Go to Device Manager, expand Display Adapter, right-click your graphics driver and choose Update Driver. Do the same for storage and processor drivers. Also, uninstall the latest Windows updates only once your system is stable again. Sometimes Microsoft includes fixes for known bugs in cumulative updates. If none of these steps works, use System Restore. Go to Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, and choose System Restore. Choose a restore point from before the issue started and let Windows restore your system settings. Let's quickly recap. First, force shutdown and restart. Then try safe mode, disable fast startup, scan for file errors, do a clean boot, update drivers, and try System Restore. One of these solutions should get your laptop back to normal. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Windows 11 fixes. Got a question or a different method that worked? Drop it in the comments. I love hearing from you. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.